Hello, today I'll be making this cute unicorn ornament. It's customizable on the back and you can make it as gifts or as your next best seller at handmade markets. To prepare the baubles, you'll need some polyacrylic to start. Make sure to wear protective gear such as gloves and a mask and work in a well-ventilated room since it can smell a bit. I like to put the polyacrylic in a fine tip squeeze bottle so that it's easier to work with. Pour the polyacrylic in the plastic bauble and rotate it to coat well. Then leave upside down to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. Paper cups and egg cartons are perfect for holding these upside down to drain. After drying for 20 to 30 minutes, pour in some extra fine craft glitter and rotate to coat. Make sure to shake out the excess. I usually leave the glitter baubles overnight to allow them to dry fully so that nothing on the inside gets scratched while putting the lid back on. Design is all in the details, so here I'm adding a small bell to the lid. Now let's prepare the unicorn parts to apply to the ornament. The different parts are already pre-grouped based on material. When you open the main group, you can see that the first group is the cardstock flower group, followed by the horn, then the felt ears, and finally the eyes. Before you make it, make sure to select the group with the eyes and click attach so that they stay in place. The flower group includes two styles of flowers, the rolled style and the stacked style. We'll be making the rolled style today so we can turn off the stacked option. Now we can send it to Cricut to cut. I typically cut all the materials except the felt first with a fine tip blade, then switch to the rotary blade to cut the felt ears. Once all the parts are prepared, we can apply them to the ornament. There are two sizes of plastic ball ornaments commonly available. Both of these ones shown here are from Michaels, and the SVG files are sized to be used with these but can also be scaled to be used with any size ornament. The horn is made of a cardstock cone as the base and wrapped with this metallic gold ribbon on the outside to finish. This specific ribbon I'm using here is from Michaels. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions.